So it is Friday morning, and we are getting ready to head down to Winston-Salem, North Carolina for our trip to
Myrtle Beach.
Myrtle Beach. So everyone's getting up and you're getting ready, and a little bit slower than what I thought they would. I thought they'd be up a little bit earlier. Ellen, did you say you were gonna get up early? Ellen has no comment. Let's go see if Jalen's awake. Mommy's awake.
I'm awake.
Where's Jalen? Jalen is non-existent. She's not in her bed. Where's the Jalen?
She's probably in the restroom.
Let's find the Jalen. Is Jalen in the restroom?
Yeah. We're not gonna open it. She's probably on the toilet.
So we are on our way, finally, to Myrtle Beach. We got out.
Yeah. Can I just say something real quick?
Yes.
Saying Myrtle Beach reminds me of saying Moaning Myrtle from Harry Potter. If any of you know what that is.
Let's hope that Moaning Myrtle is not there. All right. So what's the one thing you're looking forward to at Myrtle Beach?
The beach. The ocean. Relaxation.
The beautiful,
The balcony.
salty, delicious, not really water. The balcony.
Everyone wants to see the ocean and the beach. Ellen, the balcony.
The balcony.
We didn't even get south. We just got south of Columbus, and we already had to take a potty break, which is okay, I guess. But then Madeline gets in the car, and she's like starving to death, and says this.
I got my Pop-Tarts, and I got my chips, and I got my electronics, and I'm satisfied.
Hey, what about family?
Yeah.
I'm glad we rank somewhere between Pop-Tarts and salt and vinegar chips. There's the Ohio River.
There's the sign. Welcome to West Virginia.
So we are about an hour away from where we're going to stay at in North Carolina.
Take exit 81 to merge onto I-77 south towards Charlotte, North Carolina.
Obviously, we're going to be taking exit 81. Okay, so we made it to Winston-Salem, North Carolina. We're at the hotel, and we got here too late to go swimming, so Ellie's kind of bummed about that. But, you know, we've got like a whole week at the beach. So I think we'll be all right. Don't you think? I think we'll be good. So we've encountered a bat that's flying back and forth and eating bugs all over the place.
Ew.
The girls are absolutely freaking out. He's really cool. He just flies around back and forth, back and forth. He's not gonna hurt you.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside, please. It got really close.
What got really close?
Bat, let's go inside. Yeah, come on. Let's go.
Ellie, get your head out of the trash. Come here.
The bat's gonna come and get us. Go! Oh no! So apparently, when Jalen eats out too much, or when she eats food from Cracker Barrel, she gets, how should we say it, stinky, maybe a little gassy. I mean, she's exploding over here. There's this blue blob over here that's like, you can see the gas vapors coming up out of her butt.
I had to sleep with her last night.
Was it bad?
Not really.
Not really. So how's the water feel?
It's pretty good.
Feel good? All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out, see how it feels. our
way up
way
there.
to the beach. Are you excited?
Look at this.
Yes.
Sure. Go. I guess.
Ellie, you forgot something. You excited?
Yeah.
Sweet. Cannot wait. Oh, but it's supposed to smell fishy. It's a beach. So check this out. Awesome. It doesn't matter.
Let's go right here. Oh, spot right here. Looks like people are driving. Oh god.
First time at the beach. Oh. Oh my god. Go on. Go on.
Water seems good.
It's a little salty.
Just a cat.
Go on. Oh. That's the whole point. That's what's so fun about it.
Good. Tastes good.
What's wrong? What's wrong, Ellie?
I'm scared.
Oh, okay. It's a little big at first, isn't it? You'll be all right. Just get used to it. Hey, girl. What's that?
You're big enough because it looks like you're moving backwards, but you're moving forward.
Yeah.
Let's go further.
All right, go on.
Give me your hand.
All right, let's go. She's over there. We've drifted this way. Yep. What are you doing, Ellie? You like the sand? It's really soft, isn't it? It's like really super soft, not like our sand at home.
No.
Did you find some shells?
Sissy gave me them.
Sweet. Are you coming? Come on.
You laugh like a girl.
Here comes a big one. Ready? What happened?
I got pushed over again.
Come back over this way.
I got water at my nose and it hurts.
So what do you got on your head there?
Lashes.
You got some eyelashes? Let me see here. Whoa.
I got fishy lashes.
You got some lashes.
Come here. Can it go into water?
Yeah, I can go in the water.
We came back from the beach, got in the pool, and we're in the warm pool. On the beach. And we're walking. There's stuff. Story stuff.